Hello and welcome to SudoKanard. We're here to solve this Windoku by Serbian author Zoran Tanasić. It was featured in the latest Sudoku Grand Prix. And the special rule, is that in each of those shaded windows, we must have all digits from 1 to 9, exactly one, so they act like extra regions. And there is a famous trick with the Windoku, which I won't explain here because I remember not using it to solve the puzzle. Not that I chose to disregard the trick, but I just did have no use for it. So I won't explain it and just proceed with the puzzle. So we're seeing that this row needs a 1, and 1 is already present inside this region, so 1 can only be here. Those are 4 and 9 to complete the row. We can see that in this extra region, 8 is nowhere here, and it's not here either. So 8 is here, and this column needs a 5 and a 7. 1 is not here, it's not here, but it must appear in this window, so it will be here. The window also needs 3, 6, and 9, and this is not a 6 because of this 6. Here we need a 2 somewhere. It won't be here because of this 2. This will be from 5, 6, and 7. So 2, 5, 6, 7. There's a 2 in here, 2, 5, 6 in here because of this 7. I won't pencil mark 4 candidates. I generally refuse to pencil mark that many candidates, except in very few cases. With all the digits saying this cell, this has to be a 4 or a 5. Those cells need 2, 3, 5, and 7. So this is from 2, 3, 5. This is from 5 and 7. And something interesting here is that we have a 5, 7 pair. So this is neither 5 nor 7. So it has to be from 2 and 6. So only 2 candidates after all. Let's move on to, well, this region. It needs a 2. 2 can only be here. And now with this 2 and this 2, we need a 2 down there, but 2 here would clash with this 2 inside this extra region, so 2 goes there. What about digit 8? 8 must be somewhere in here, but there's already an 8 inside this region, so 8 goes there. Perhaps I should work more with digits. By this I mean with those 8s, I need an 8 somewhere in here, which is not saying that much. 8 could still be here inside this region. 8 is somewhere here inside the region. So this is not 8. This is from 3, 6, and 9. 8 must be somewhere in here. I feel like I'm not being methodical now. Like really, really not. All right. So where do we look? Perhaps this region, or this row. This row needs 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 and 7 and 6. So this is from 4 and 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 7, 6. So this is also from 4, 8, and we get a 4, 8 pair. So now this becomes a 5, this becomes a 7, this becomes a 5, this becomes a 7. So, oh, and a lot is happening. So this is not 5, we get a 2, 6 pair, and this is now 7. Complete this area, this is not 6. And this row still needs a 6. With all those 6s, we get a 6 in this position. And what What was I about to say? I don't know, actually. All right, so what about digit 7? So 7 is not here, 7 is not here, so this is 7. And the last 7 of the grid is here. Okay, so this row still needs 3, 4, and 9. So this is from 3, 4. This is from 4, 9. This column still needs 3, 5, 8, and 9. 5 is not in here, so 5 must be somewhere in there. So those here are from 3, 8, 9. And inside this region, 5 can only be here. 8 is not here, but it must appear somewhere on the column. Oops. And this here is from 3 and 9. So 3, 4, 8, 9 here. This is from 3, 4, 9. We still need a 1 somewhere. Not seeing where. So those are also from 2, 3, and 5. This row at the bottom needs 1, 3, 5, and 9. So 1, 5, 9 here, 1, 3. This is not 1. This could still be anything. This is from 3, 8, 9. I feel like I'm missing something on the easy side. I'm not seeing what. This row still needs, oh yes, this region. This region must have a 6. 6 can only be here. This is probably not the only easy thing I was missing. This row still needs 3, 5, and 9. So this is from 5, 9. This is also from 5, 9. The 3 on this row could only be here. So this 3 removes a few options. This now has to be the 9. This has to be the 3. This is now 4, and that's a 3. That's not 9. What else am I missing? That's not a 3. So 3 inside this region can only be here. Oh, I've forgotten. There has to be a 7 in here as well. So that's the 7. This can't be a 9 because of that, so that has to be 4 or 5. 1, 4, 5, and 6. So this is from 1 and 4. There's a 9 in here, so that's not 9. I feel like I'm missing something again. So what am I missing? So this now can't be 8 because there's an 8 in here. It can't be 9, so this is from 3 and 4. 2, 6, 9 in here. Eight is not here, so 8 is around here. This is from 2, 4, 6. But there's a 4 in here. So that's not 4. That's a 2, 6 pair. So this is 5. This is 2. This is 6. This is 9. This is 2. This is 6. This is 2. This is from 4, 8. And this 5 now resolves this. 4, 9, 4. 5 here, 9 there. 1 here. 9 down there, that's a 4, which makes this an 8 and this a 9. Yes, this is resolving a lot. 4 here, 3 there, 8 and 4. And this can only be a 3 now. This 5 prevents this from being a 5, so that is a 5. This can only be an 8 now. This has to be a 2. Here we need 1 and 9, so 1 here, 9 there, that's a 5. That's a 1, and up there we still need a 6, which is here, and a 5, which is there. So that I was mildly struggling at some points, but maybe I'm a bit tired at the time I'm doing this video. Because the puzzle was no struggle on the whole, and it really didn't use the usual trick about Windoku, which is a rare occurrence. It still needed to work a little. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon on SudoKanard.